Shotzi, the Master Loctician, getting ready to show you how to repair your locks, do-it-yourself style. Let's go. Let's get it. Okay, let's get started. So you've identified your break or your thinning lock. So what you want to do, here's the thinning lock here. What you want to do is you want to just take the part that's thin and kind of roll it up almost into a knot without tying the tie. Take your needle and thread, go through it, bring both pieces together, go through it again, and so you brought it kind of together there, right? And then you're just going to start sewing in and out and around. So when I sew, I sew like in a round fashion. So I'm just going around the hair. You can go back and forth, but it's kind of a challenge. So I just sew around, right? So in round motion. I don't know if you can see that or not, how it's bringing the lock together. Again. So in a round motion, which is hard, really hard to try to get you to see. But you got the idea. It's going to keep sewing until you bring the lock together. Lock it together. To make sure that you get the lock tight, because some of the lock is going to be kind of puffy. You just want to sew around again. When the lock is puffy, sew around. So you get it to look like one lock. And then what I do is I take it and I sew parallel or vertical up the lock. You see me? I just take it up the lock, long way. And then down the lock, the long way. And then up again to ensure that it creates a bridge. Then one more time, down the long way. So what that does is it creates a bridge for tension over time so the lock doesn't break. And there you have, one more time, your lock is complete. Take it and I cut it. So what I don't do two knots. I do one knot, the beginning knot, and then I complete it by sewing inside the lock back and forth a couple of times, and that's my knot to complete it. Thank you. Good luck. Thanks for watching these videos. Please like and subscribe below. Make a comment. If you have a question, let us know. Hopefully we'll make a video about it and fix a solution.